Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and welcome to my video. It's been about a year since I've been on YouTube. I know it's crazy because I'm like, it's already been a year. I had to really think about that one. So I wanted to film a video and get a video like a anniversary type of vibe, whatever. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I filmed this intro like 10 times now and I can't figure out what I want to say. But anyway, I'm going to be doing a traditional makeup video as you've seen the last 3 videos. I'm going to be trying out some new products today. Kind of like a get ready with me, but not really because I'm actually going to be answering some questions. I didn't do what the cool YouTubers do and ask everybody to ask me questions because I just didn't know if that was going to actually work out the way I wanted it to. So instead I looked up a question list to do on a YouTube video, and let's just say I had to really look for good questions because a lot of them were really lame, like a child had wrote them. So I'm going to do my best I can. I don't know if these are even any good. I'm also going to do something really crazy, and yes, these are Huda lashes. I already trimmed them. I don't know if I even did it right. I don't even care at this point. So we're just gonna try it out and go from there. So if you wanna see what I do today with my video, then keep on watching and do not forget to like and subscribe. I think I'm gonna base my look around this new Fenty, the new Kilowatt highlighters. They technically are marketed as a highlighter, but really, here, I'll cover my name, but in reality it's kind of like a multi-purpose. So like you can use them as a highlighter, you can use them as an eyeshadow, you could use them as a blush because there's a lot of shades. I had chose this one in particular because I was really interested to try that minty shade, and I may actually try to use that as a highlighter. And then I was gonna use the bronzier shade as like an eyeshadow. I did just see Nikki tutorials in one with that, and so I watched it beforehand just to see what she did, and she kind of did what I wanted to do, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take the Sephora Pro palette. I haven't used this in a while. I actually used it on my eyes the other day for work, and I was like in love with my look. First I'm gonna go in with that guy right there. Before I start answering some questions, I just wanted to say thank you so much for those who watched my McDonald's videos. I didn't really speak about this before because I honestly didn't know what to say. I didn't really know what to expect out of that video in general, and I did put a lot of time and effort into it. But anyway, let me get started with my questions. What is your name? Well, my name is in my channel, but my name is Lauren Rabito. Where are you from? I am from the Philadelphia area in Pennsylvania. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a darker shade. That one. How tall are you? 5'5". I'm gonna take a different brush and just kind of put a little bit of a deeper shade on my outer V. How many siblings do you have? I have one. I have a sister, her name is Jess. I've talked about her I think once on this channel. Is this your first channel? No, and some of you may actually already know that. This is my second channel technically. My first channel I still have. I actually had used my first channel for my film school videos. So what is your channel about? Not sure. It's mostly about makeup and beauty products all together. I wouldn't say I have an exact genre right now. All right, I'm gonna attempt to use the Fenty. I'm gonna use just a eyeshadow brush for now and see how that goes. Can you even see it? I think you have to see it in person because this is very intense. I like it. I didn't do anything crazy today, and that's fine. Okay, well this is an interesting question. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? That's a really good question, actually. I feel like why anyone should subscribe to me is because I'm honest. I'm don't have a whole lot of followers right now to sway any opinions or get any kind of brand deals whatsoever. So I think that's the benefit of being a smaller YouTuber, is you can really do whatever you want to do on your channel at this point without those brands backing you up for certain things. Definitely just one of those things. It's more because of my personality, not necessarily I guess the content I'm putting out. It's just how I am. And I'm also not doing YouTube to get views. I'm doing it for fun, for myself, and it's just a fun activity. So I don't know if that makes a difference to people who watch, but I don't know. Where do you see yourself and your channel in 5 years? Interesting. Well, I feel like this kind of piggybacks of what I just said. Again, I don't really have an answer to that at the moment because I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. This isn't like my #1 priority, and I'm doing this for fun, just to have like a little hobby on the side of doing work. Work is my priority, but if it takes me somewhere, cool. If it doesn't, cool. I'm still feeling the same way about that. By the way, I'm just putting some white in my waterline. I'm really nervous to put these lashes on. So I'm gonna put some mascara on first. And I think what I'm first gonna do is attempt to apply it with my hand, because the tweezer trick really freaks me out. Like I just don't want to be that person to stab my eye out while trying to do lashes for the first time. I have put on lashes before. It's just been years. And I think one thing I did wrong before was not to wait till it got tacky. So I'm gonna wait until it turns 157 and see if it's good to go. By the way, I used the Duo brush on glue. As for the lashes, they are Huda Beauty in Jade. That's so annoying. So, that took me 20 minutes. And they actually don't look that bad from far away. But then I came up with the genius idea of drawing like eyeliner, because I guess I cut too much off. And then it just looks awful. I meant to put primer on earlier because I like for it to soak into my skin before I start doing foundation. But I'm taking this. This is actually, I don't know if this is new. This is new to me, but Estee Lauder mattifier. And typically I'm more dry. But I've noticed with like all the skincare I've done with like the winter time, I actually needed to mattify now because I'm not too moisturized now. And a trick, if you get some fallout, you can take some primer and just whoosh it away. So lately I've been using the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I actually really like it so far, but it's actually been breaking apart around my mouth. All right, next question. What inspired you to start making videos? Honestly, myself. I had a couple people say that I should do it, a couple friends, and I would say other YouTubers as well. That was obviously a big part of it, and I've always liked making videos, like whether it was beauty related or not. But yeah, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Beauty wise, I would say Jaclyn Hill is one of my favorites. I really like Manny, like all the people in that group of people. I really like Raw Beauty Christy. Not beauty, I would say. I really like the Gabby Show. Shane Dawson. Just depends on what I see. What does your username mean? It's my name. Best thing about YouTube, I would say probably just because you can create whatever you really want. I start baking. Worst thing about YouTube, it's a tough one. I would say probably the people who are like really rude to people in comments and such. What are your goals when it comes to YouTube? Definitely just put out what I would expect of myself to put out. Nothing like anything I wouldn't feel comfortable putting up, I wouldn't put up. So I guess just staying true to myself. And then the last question is, any advice for new YouTubers? I don't know. I'm still technically new in my opinion, but I guess if you're new and you're like watching this and you're like wanting to know, I feel like obviously staying true to yourself. Don't put out videos you wouldn't enjoy. Staying consistent, which is something I haven't done, but I know I haven't done. I'm just taking some Bare Minerals powder just to go back over. So I'm gonna attempt to put this bluish highlighter on my cheeks. Interesting. Turn this down a little bit. Can you see it? Just put some of my inner corners. Going out with my normal blush. I'm just taking some of that brown I did earlier, just put on the bottom. Just taking it's a Buxom lip liner in Hush Hush. Yeah, don't know how I'm feeling about the lashes right now. I can zoom you in to see. You can see this inner corner is just, it won't stay. And then this one, same deal. It's actually barely on my eye. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't really chat too much, and also my camera cut me off a few times, and I don't even know where during that entire thing it did that. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Happy 1-year anniversary to my channel. That's it. Bye.